During the preparation of Lamparaan, very short po talaga yung naging preparation ng senior high school because nagkaroon po ng recent typhoons and then sumabay po yung rescheduling ng fest po namin. Even if na short po yung preparation namin doon, we still did our best para may maipakita po sa, hindi lang po sa senior high school, pero may represent po namin yung senior high school sa lahat ng colleges. Gusto po namin ipakita na ito po yung nararanasan namin na may struggles pa rin po kami and kung paano po namin siya i-overcome at kung paano po namin mahahanap yung inner mar lang po namin para ipakita kung ano po yung galing na meron kami. We have a lot to offer sa senior high school and sana abangan po kami ng mga colleges, ng mga students at panoodin po kami at sana maging proud po sa amin yung mga students na nire-represent po namin ang senior high school department. Ayan.